Ladies and gentlemen, Pivot Point trading students right around the world, also an extended welcome to our very loyal global following and social media following out there on the interweb. Thank you so much for joining me today. Boy, am I excited to bring you this individual trade setup. This is an individual trade setup on the company eBay. It is over a 7-to-1 risk reward trade setup. So what I'm going to do in this video is walk through some analysis, give this as a gift, as a present to people around the world. Of course, I advise you to do this virtually. This is all educational. However, I personally am very excited about this trade and the upside potential on eBay. I'm going to go through and give you the analysis, the breakdown on this trade, and why I can see higher targets on eBay if in fact the trade confirms. So what I'm going to do is jump into the analysis now. I'm going to change over to my charting software, and as you can see, this is a daily chart of eBay. The ticker symbol for eBay is the company name, it's just EBAY. Very, very simple. I'm going to change to a daily chart, and this is where we're going to start our analysis on this individual stock. Let me just work with a bit more time. I'm going to drag this over. Hopefully we can fit it all on one page. Yes, we can. So here we are at the current day. We're trading on eBay at $49.58 a share. Let me just bring up the right drawing tool. I'm going to use a red pen because that sticks out the most. $49.58. You can see we're down at this very, very important support level. It's been support. Well, first of all, it acted as resistance in October 2012. It then acted as support in December 2012. It acted as support again in March 2013, came almost down to it again in June 2013, retested again in April. We broke down temporarily through November, and here we are, we've bounced once more in May 2014, and we're again testing it again as of June 2014. That was a little bit of a tongue twister, but what I want to get across to you right now is the fact that this is macro support. This is incredibly, incredibly strong support. So this is telling us that, hey, when we get down to this macro support level, what likes to happen? We get a bullish bounce. You can see 1, you can see 2, you can see 3, you can see 4, 5, 6, and here we are again. What do you think is going to happen, ladies and gentlemen? If this support level holds and we start bouncing at the support level, you can count on it being a number 7. This is the 7th time that we've rallied off this support level. Where are our targets going to be? We've got targets at $52. We have targets at $55, $57, and all the way up here at about $59.50. This is my favorite target. It is the ultimate swing high on eBay. And then we're simply getting into a continued sideways channel. So we're starting to see why people are buying down at support here with such limited risk and such an incredible reward on this individual trade setup. Now let's go into some finer detail. What you can see today as of Monday's trading session is that we have a bullish counter attack and also almost a hammer candlestick. Now this is incredibly bullish. It is a very early reversal candlestick warning. It's telling us that there are people beginning to buy down at this support level. You can see also bullish volume coming into eBay. Now you might be asking yourself, well, the volume's red. Yes, it is red. The only reason it's red is because the close of today's candlestick is below the close of Friday's candlestick. However, the bullish candlestick or the candlestick itself is incredibly strong. It is incredibly bullish. So please do not be confused by this red bar. The reason it's red is because the close of Monday was below the close of Friday. It's not taking into consideration what that candlestick actually is and the sentiment, the meaning, the behavior behind that individual candlestick. So we've spoken about macro support. We've spoken about how we're in a channel and how we've bounced 6 times in the past. We're setting up for a 7th bounce. We've spoken about this individual candlestick. What I also want to bring your attention to is the fact that we are setting up bullish divergence. You can see on the Stokes, we've got a higher low relative to the low made in Stokes back in mid-May. We also have a lower low taking place on the MACD. This is what we call bullish divergence because contrarily, you can see that we've made a lower low in price. So although price has dipped down very, very quickly, the oscillators are still telling us that, hey, the momentum is starting to switch from down and it's starting to switch up. Again, the RSI is also showing that bullish divergence. You can see the general slope of these oscillators are ascending, whereas the general price right here is descending. We've still made that lower peak. So this is telling us that, hey, be careful. The trend, or at least this downward move, is starting to shake out and we're starting to change the momentum to the bullish side. So here's the basic trade setup. This is what you've come here. This is probably what you're waiting for. What I am going to do, and this is my own personal trade setup, which I am placing. Firstly, I want to say again, do this in your virtual account. See for yourself the results which are going to come from this trade. Firstly, if you're buying options, I would advise you to buy at least July options, if not August, just to give you enough time for the share to oscillate back up to resistance levels. But here's my basic trade setup on eBay for you. What I'm looking to do is enter around $49.82 into those July and August, most likely $48 call options. All right, July, August, $48 call options. If we break above $49.82, my stop on the trade is going to be $48.42. So you can see I've got $1.40 of risk on this trade. My target is up here at $59. We'll call it $59.50. Actually, hey, we'll just call it $59. Let me just make sure you can see $59. And we'll round this up to the whole number, 50. All right, so you can see that we've got $9. We've got over $9 of reward. Let me just change the color. And our risk is $1.40. Ladies and gentlemen, you do the calculations on this. I do think, and I know for a fact, it comes into a 6 point something risk versus reward ratio, right? So we're set to gain 6 times the amount that we are risking on this individual trade setup. It is, I think, the mid to high 6s, 6.5, 6.6, all right? Something, it doesn't really matter. All I'm saying is that this is an incredible risk reward. All of the signals are here for that next oscillation higher. And I want you to see for yourself, right? Once you can understand and apply this analysis, which I teach, you can make a killing trading the stock market. That was what I'm referring to. That was the whole, I guess, point of this webinar, or this little bit of a trade update on eBay. I like to give these gifts out to traders who are wanting to understand how to perform technical analysis correctly. This is a gift to you, all right? This is a gift to you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe and share with a friend. eBay set to rocket if we get a close above $49.82. All the best, ladies and gentlemen, around the world, Pivot Point Pro trading students, and also, again, an extended warm welcome to our loyal social media following. Thank you so much. I will keep you updated on this individual trade. Have a great trading week. Goodbye.